Our project name is Self-Balancing Robot done by Ramkumar and Sham Prakash. The components we have used for this project is MPU 6050 gyroscope, Arduino L298N motor driver, DC motor. Next, working of the project. A self-balancing robot is an autonomous system that uses sensors, motors and control algorithm to maintain its upright position on two wheels. It relies on sensors like gyroscope to detect tilt and orientation. The control algorithm, typically a proportional integral derivative controller, process sensors data to adjust motor speed and maintain balance. These robots have application in personal transportation, assistive technology and robotics research, offering insights into stability control and motion dynamics for various real-world applications. It works by continuously sensing its tilt using an gyroscope. When it detects that it leaning forward or backward, it calculates the tilt angle and uses a control system, usually a PID control, to adjust the speed and direction of its wheels. If the robot tilts forward, the wheels move forward to push it back upright. If it tilts backward, the wheels move in reverse. This process happens in a rapid feedback loop, so the robot constantly makes small adjustments to stay balanced and upright. A control algorithm, usually called a PID controller, uses this information to calculate how much the robot needs to move to stay balanced. The P, proportional part, reacts to the angle the robot is tilted. The I, integral part, corrects small mistakes that build up over time. And the D, derivative part, helps smooth out sudden movements.